皆さんこんにちは. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into common Japanese words that cannot be directly translated into English and carry unique cultural nuances. Let's explore these words together, understand their meanings, and see how they are used in daily conversations. So let's get started. First up, we have 別腹. This translates as separate belly or desert stomach in English. Imagine you've had a huge meal and you are absolutely stuffed. But when someone offers you dessert, you suddenly find room for it. In Japanese culture, people often say they have 別腹, meaning they have a room just for dessert. It's a funny way to explain how there is always room for something sweet, no matter how full you are. 別腹, 別腹. O腹いっぱい。もう食べれない。デザートはどう？別腹でしょ？デザートは食べれる。デザートはどう？別腹でしょ？デザートはどう？別腹でしょ？ Next is 猫舌. This translates as cat tongue in English. You might think, what do you mean you have a cat tongue? Sounds funny, right? But in Japan, if someone has a nekojita, it means they cannot handle hot food or drinks. Just like how a cat might react to something hot. This is a common trait in Japan where food and drinks are served very hot. 猫舌. 猫舌. お茶どうぞ。ありがとうございます。私、猫舌なので、冷めてからいただきます。私、猫舌なので、冷めてからいただきます。私、猫舌なので、冷めてからいただきます。This year has already been really hot, and some people are feeling fatigued and low on energy from the heat. In Japan, we have one word to describe these symptoms. 夏バテ. This term translates as summer fatigue in English. 夏バテ refers to the physical exhaustion, loss of appetite, lethargy, and lack of sleep people often feel during the hot summer month in Japan. 夏バテ. 夏バテ. 最近夏バテで元気が出ない。大丈夫？無理しないようにね。最近夏バテで元気が出ない。最近夏バテで元気が出ない。During the summer, many people head to the beach or pool to enjoy the refreshing water. So it's perfect time to learn about kanazuchi. This word translates as hammer in English, but it has a different meaning when talking about swimming. Someone might say, I'm a kanazuchi. In Japan, when someone is called kanazuchi, it means they cannot swim. almost like they would sink in the water like hammer. Kind of makes sense, right? 金槌金槌週末暑くなりそうだし、プール行かない？私金槌だからやめとく。あ、そうなんだ。じゃあ、川でバーベキューでもしようか。私、金槌だからやめとく。私、金槌だからやめとく。Next, we have 懐かしい。The English translation is nostalgic. Unlike the English word nostalgic, the term 懐かしい expresses the sensation of reliving past event from within oneself. It used when something brings back fond memories, such as school days. 懐かしい invokes the warm and fuzzy feeling you get when reminiscing about the good old days. 懐かしい懐かしいこの歌、懐かしいね。うん。高校時代を思い出すね。この歌、懐かしいね。この歌、懐かしいね。Next is a phrase I'm sure many people has experienced. 三日坊主 This phrase literally translates as 3 days monk. The actual meaning refers to someone who starts something new with great enthusiasm, but gives up after a short period of time, usually lasting 3 days. This phrase originated from the idea of the trainee monk who, while training to become a full-fledged monk, quickly find it difficult to endure the tough training and quit after just 3 days to return to ordinary life. It's a humorous way to describe someone who cannot stick with new commitments. 三日坊主三日坊主最近ジムに行き始めたんでしょ？どう？もう行ってないや。マジで三日坊主だよね。もう行ってないや。マジで三日坊主だよね。もう行ってないや。マジで三日坊主だよね。Next, イルス This translates as absentee in English. The actual meaning refers to pretending to be out or not at home. In Japan, people use イルス when they pretend to be not at home to avoid unwanted visitors, strangers, or door-to-door sales. イルスイルス昨日知らない人が家に来てさ、怖くてイルスしたんだよね。ほんと？誰だろう？怖いね。昨日知らない人が家に来てさ、怖くてイルスしたんだよね。昨日知らない人が家に来てさ、怖くてイルスしたんだよね。 Some of you may have heard of this term before. もったいない. This term translates as wasteful or water waste in English. もったいない is a beautiful expression used to describe situations where resources, time, or effort are not being used to their fullest potential. It conveys a sense of regret over wastefulness and a desire to use things more respectfully. In Japanese culture, もったいない is often used to encourage mindfulness about the use of resources. It's a concept deeply rooted in a culture that values sustainability and cherishing what we have. もったいない。もったいない。このお菓子食べないなら捨てちゃうよ。もったいない。後で食べるから残しておいて。もったいない。後で食べるから残しておいて。もったいない。後で食べるから残しておいて。That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about these unique Japanese expressions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for next video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what would you like to see in my future videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. 夏バテには気をつけてください。ではまた。